Yeah, good morning, guys. So, last class was the lecture on input tax credit, wherein last 10 minutes we covered the definitions, and I wrote their definition go through before examination as well. So, you have to go through the definition one day before exam as well. Clear? We covered inward supply. Inward supply बोलते purchases. It can be goods or you're getting the services. Outward supply बोलते sales. Either you're selling the goods or you're giving your services. Output tax was tax collected from the customer. Input tax, tax already paid. GST formula is output tax minus input tax. Input service बोलते the services you received from someone. X to Y, Y to Z. Y received from X, that's called input service. Y gave to Z, it's called output service. Capital goods बोलते fixed assets. Input good बोलते other than fixed assets, and quarter बोलते 3 months each. I guess till here it was covered. Now be careful, note points important. Be careful. First one, input tax credit can be claimed. Listen, X sold to Y, Y sold to Z. 100 plus 12, 200 plus 24. We are Y. Sorry, 300 plus 36. 336, 112. We are Y. How much I collected? I collected 36 rupees. How much I already paid? 12 rupees. How much balance I should pay? 24. 36 is called output tax. 12 is called input tax. Now Y still government says, Re Y, you collected 36, pay 36. But Y says, Re chiller fellow government, I already paid 12 to X. I am rejecting, I'll pay only 24. So government is asking, what is the proof that you paid 12 to Mr. X? Y says, I have a bill of Mr. X. I have a purchase invoice. That purchase invoice 100 plus fuel and I paid the 12 rupees to Mr. X. I have a bill copy. What do I have? Bill copy. That is called input tax. It can be claimed by registered person. Registered person बोलते why? Only on the basis of tax invoice. What is the proof that Mr. Y paid 12 rupees? Purchase invoice is the proof. Second one, as per the latest GST Council meet, they have clarified that when the goods are delivered by supplier on the instruction of recipient to third party, it will be into the registered party has received the goods and he can avail input tax credit. Why want certain goods? He took from X, sold to Z. Clear? But one of the conditions to claim input tax credit is, we covered, you wrote in examples, goods must be received. अब इसमें क्या हुआ? Y called X and told to X, please I want goods directly delivered to Z factory. Instead of sending goods to Y and Y sending to Z, Y is informing X, please directly send the goods to Z. One of the conditions is Y should receive the goods, but Y is not receiving because he is directly sending from X to Z. Still does not matter, input tax rate can be claimed. Whether Y receive and sell to Z or X directly send the goods to Z, Y can claim input tax rate whether he has received or not. Read this point and copy that example. Example क्या है? If X send goods to Y and Y sells to Z, Y has received the goods, input tax can be claimed. Or Y informed X to directly send the goods to Z, then also Y can claim input tax credit. Then also Y can claim input tax credit. Read it once and copy the example. Chalo. Copy karo example what I am telling. Done. Next. Point 3. In the following cases, input tax credit cannot be claimed. बोले तो GST will be generally, in my example, 36 minus 12, 24. But in this case, it will be 36 minus 0, 36. But whatever 12 rupees you paid, that cannot be claimed. So 36 minus 0 it will be. 36 minus 0. Goods purchased without invoice. If I don't have the bill from Mr. X, I cannot claim. Purchase of goods not for business purpose. I have purchased the goods but I consumed for my personal purpose. Number 3. Where the supplier has not paid the tax to government. I paid 12 to X, X did not pay to government. So 3 cases. I don't have the bill of X, bill from X, X did not pay 12 to government, and Y purchased the goods not for business purpose. He gave as a gift to someone, he used for his house, whatever it is. So in these 3 cases, input tax credit cannot be claimed. Mark as important point. Cannot be claimed बोल तो 36 minus 12 का दो 36 minus 0. That 0 is called input tax rate, cannot be claimed. 36 is called output tax, 0 is called input tax. 0 cannot, input tax cannot be claimed, although it will be 0. Without bill, I purchased not for business purpose, and the X, I paid X 12 to X, X did not pay to government. Okay, next. Input tax credit can be claimed in the month in which goods are received. I ordered in the month of August. I got the bill in the month of October. I got the goods in the month of December. Government clarified, you will get the input tax in the month in which goods are received. Not in the month in which you ordered the goods, not in the month in which you got the invoice, but in the month in which goods are received. 4 points are done. Please read for the 4 points once again. Quick. एक बार 4 points वापस पढ़ो. Next, point number 5. Goods received in installments or lots. Mark as important for MCQ. Listen. I ordered 100 units, 100 pieces of a good, 100 t-shirts. He's sending in 4 installments. 25, 25, 25, 25. In 4 months, April, May, June, July. I ordered 100 t-shirts. He said he will send in 4 installments, 25 each, in 4 months, April, May, June, July. Question is, when can I claim input tax rate? Government clarified, in the month in which last lot is received. Month in which last installment is received, that is in the month of July. Where goods are received in installments or lot against one invoice, the registered person shall be entitled to claim input tax rate on the receipt of last installment. Underline the word last installment. लिख लो example. If Mr. Y purchases 100 units, if Mr. Y purchases 100 units to be received in 4 installments, to be received in 4 installments, comma, input tax credit can be claimed in the month in which last installment is received. In the month in which last installment is received. Last installment is received. Clear? Sure. Point number 6. As per section 150 of CGST Act, the burden is on the registered person to prove that he is eligible for ITC. That's okay. 7th also important. To claim ITC, the time limit is 20th October of the next year or date of filing annual return, whichever is earlier. This I will be covering in returns chapter. This point I will explain in returns chapter. This point I will explain in returns chapter, GST returns. Clear? Chalo. Next. Hello. This is already covered by me. ये example दे दिया था मैं. Manner of utilization of credit also we completed. Next pages are examples and problems which we already completed. I know you don't remember, we completed all this. Now listen. Okay. So till here we are done with this. Now listen. Come to the last pages of your notebook. This one. This one. Last 3 pages में रहता. The most important topic of your syllabus this is. Concept of block credit. 17.5. Last 6-7 pages में रहता सर ये. Last 6-7 pages में रहता. Very important concept. Very important concept. Mark as important. Very important. Write in the bracket. Read this minimum 3 times 1 day before exam. लिखो bracket में. Read this minimum 3 times 1 day before exam. Read this minimum 3 times 1 day before exam. Concept of block credit, and the section number is 17 subsection 5, which is a negative section. It says no input tax credit in following cases. What mean no input tax credit in following cases? X to Y, Y to Z, 100 plus 12. I sold for 300 plus 36. Technically, what is the liability? 36 minus 12, 24. But government is in these cases, I will take 36 minus 0, 36. This 0 is called no input tax credit in following cases. So in these cases, your GST will be 36 minus 12 nahi, 36 minus 0, even though y paid 12 rupees to x and x paid 12 rupees to garment does not matter. We'll take 36 minus 0 only, and y will pay 36 to garment, x will pay 12 to garment. So y will not get the credit. That's called no input tax rate in following cases. Am I clear with this? Shall I start? Shall I start? Up suno. Now suno. ये लिख लो ब्रैकेट में, because I will be reading from the notes only, so better you write this. कहाँ लिखते हैं? यहाँ लिखो, here, ये प्लेस में ये लिखो. इसका मतलब होता for y GST liability will be 36 minus 12, नहीं 36 minus 0. 0 is called no input tax rate. Input नहीं मिलता in these cases. Which cases will be explaining, and problem इसमें से आता 5 marks पक्का आता on block credit, whether you like it or not. So my next 1 hour discussion will be only on this concept, block credit. Once I complete this, your syllabus on input tax also will be completed, so that tomorrow we'll start with returns. After this, there will be 2 more lectures, and your GST gets completed. I'll also be updating with the latest amendment circulars applicable for November 2020 examination as well. You don't worry about that. Start करो तो we'll start. चल अब देखो, remember this is a negative section. बोल तो उन ये नहीं बोल रहा. This section does not say when ITC is available. It says when ITC is not available. Exam में we have to remember cases where IT is not available. If the exam gives some other point apart from these 3, apart from this, it means IT is available. Like exemption list may be covered, which are exempt. Apart from those, all are taxable. So we should not remember what are taxation, what are exempt. Apart from all are taxable. Here we should remember ITC is not available in which case. Apart from that, IT is available. So we are learning negative concept. IT is not available. 36 minus 0. Even though you pay 12 rupees, we will consider as 0. Okay. कॉपी कर लो ये भी इन योर नोट्स. यहाँ कॉपी करना है, ये बुक में कहीं तो भी कॉपी करो, बिकॉज आई बी रीडिंग फ्रॉम दिस ओनली. जल्दी. क्लियर? स्टार्ट करें. चलो now listen. The first one is concept of input tax credit on motor vehicles, aircrafts and vessels. बोले तो I purchased a car, I purchased an aircraft, I purchased a ship. I purchased a car, aircraft and ship. Whenever I purchase a car, assuming I purchase from dealer, will he give a bill? Yes. Assuming the bill is 100 plus 12 and I am using the car, can I claim the credit of 12 rupees? That is what we are learning. So dimag mein bithao, I am teaching like LKG students. I purchased a car or an aircraft or a vessel. Then what happens? Now come here. Working note number 1. Be careful. Working note number 1. Be careful. Okay. It's better I give the notes for this work. Input tax credit on motor vehicle, because that's a very big tree. So please copy the way I'm giving you. Even though given, I'll make it more easy. Input tax credit on motor vehicle, aircraft and vessel. Input tax credit on motor vehicles, aircrafts and vessel. We'll first start on what if it's a motor vehicle. I purchased a motor vehicle. What if I purchase an aircraft? Vessel बोलते ship. So whenever I purchase, I pay the taxes also on that particular item. Will I get the credit of that? Now government says check the motor vehicle you are using for which purpose. Is it for transportation of passengers, or is it for transportation of goods? A truck company purchased a truck to transport the goods from one place to another. ये क्या बोलते हैं, SRS Travels purchased a bus for transportation of passengers from Hyderabad to Goa. SRS Travels, they are transporting passengers. A transport company, another company transporting goods. If it is passengers, we check the seating capacity of the bus. क्या चेक करते? Seating capacity. More than 13 including the driver. Less than or equal to 13 including the driver. More than 13 including the driver, don't copy, I'll give you time. Less than 13 including the driver. If more than 13, ITC can be claimed. Well, whatever taxes you pay on the purchase of the bus, you can claim the input tax rate. Less than 13, normal rule. Normal rule, ITC cannot be claimed. ITC cannot be claimed. Special rule, बोलते these are exceptions. Exceptions बोलते normally ITC cannot be claimed. Special rule बोलते ITC can be claimed. बोलते following cases ITC can be claimed. What are those? I'll tell you in 5 minutes. Okay, I'll tell you that because I want you to copy. Chalo, once again. SRS Travels purchased the bus. It's a motor vehicle. They are transporting passengers from Hyderabad to Goa. Transportation of passengers. And on the purchase, they paid tax also to Ashok Leyland from the manufacturer of the bus. Check the seating. More than 13, they will get the credit of the tax paid. Less than 13, they will not get the credit. But in the following cases, even though less than 13, they will get the credit. I'll tell you. A truck company who is transporting goods purchased the truck. ITC can be claimed. ITC can be claimed. क्लियर? पहले यहाँ तक कॉपी करो. आपको रिमेंबर करना है, सब कुछ अच्छे से रिमेंबर करना है. नो अदर ऑप्शन. जल्दी कॉपी करो. देन आई विल कवर 3 cases in aircraft also will go. Please jaldi copy karo, even though you have the same chart. Still I'm asking you to do, because if you write something, you'll go into your brain, you'll understand the logic. Please copy karo. Please copy. ठीक है? If it's not done, please pause the video. Now, if it is passengers, seating capacity more than 13 including driver, can claim. Less than 13, general rule cannot be claimed. Special rule, in following special cases, exceptions, it can be claimed. Another first one. Arrow mark down and write first one. Further supply of goods, for further supply of motor vehicle, for further supply of motor vehicle. Number 2, for transportation of passengers. Number 3, imparting and training on driving, navigating the motor vehicle. In these 3 cases, ITC is available. These are special rules. These are special rules. अब एक एक का कॉन्सेप्ट समझाता हूँ, सुनते जाओ. इसका एग्जाम्पल है, मारुति इज सेलिंग टू नेक्सा, नेक्सा सेलिंग टू कस्टमर. Maruti 100 plus 12, Nexa selling to customer 300 plus 36. We are Nexa. How much I collected? 36. It's a car, 4-seater car. Where does it fall? Transportation of passengers. Less than 13. Yes. Normal rule cannot be claimed. But why did Nexa buy from Maruti? To do puja, to sell further in the market. To sell further in the market, I will get the credit. That is called further supply of motor vehicle. बोल तो ब्रैकेट में लिख लो, if you buy for sale purpose and sell it. You buy the motor vehicle and sell it. Because you bought it for selling the motor vehicle, you can claim the input tax credit. Second one, transportation of passengers. Example, Ola. Ola bought 10 Maruti vehicles from Maruti Suzuki. They are using to transport passengers from within the Hyderabad, from SR Nagar to Abbots, Abbots to Nagar. Ola also can claim input tax because they are using for transportation of passengers. And I am running a driving school. If you are running a driving school, then also you can claim the input tax credit. In these three cases, I can claim. These are special cases. Normal rule cannot be claimed. Special cases 3 can be claimed. That is the meaning of this. कॉपी कर लो. कहाँ कॉपी करते? यहाँ पे 3 cases you have to write. 1 2 3 1 2 3. चलो. If you buy the motor vehicle for resale purpose, if you're using for transportation of passengers or imparting training on driving or navigating, also you're on driving school, purchased a car and using the car to teach the other people how to drive the car, then the tax paid on by them on purchase of the car, they can claim the credit. जो भी tax pay करे on purchase, they can claim the credit. The driving school fellows. प्लीज कॉपी करो जल्दी. ठीक है, डन. नेक्स्ट. Now come to, what if I purchase aircraft and vessel? Like, who can purchase aircraft and vessel? Jet Airways, SpiceJet. They are purchasing aircraft and vessel. Now we check. Is it for transportation of persons or is it transportation of goods? You are using the aircraft and ship for which purpose? Transportation of passengers or goods? If it is goods, ITC is available. IT7. If it is passengers, I am SpiceJet fellow. I purchased aircrafts from a manufacturer 100 plus 12. Can I claim the credit of 12? Government says if normal rule cannot be claimed. Normal rule cannot be claimed. Special route, again same 3 cases, again you have to write, it can be claimed. Here we don't check the seating capacity 13 less than 13 nonsense. Seating capacity only check if it's a motor vehicle. So दिमाग में ऐसा बिठाओ chart before you start copying. It's a motor vehicle, yes. Passengers के लिए जा रहा, goods के लिए जा रहा. Goods के लिए जा रहा, you can claim ITC. Passengers के लिए जा रहा, greater than 13, you can claim. Less than or equal to 13, general rule cannot be claimed. Special rule, 3 cases can be claimed. Aircrafts and vessels for passengers and for goods. If it is for goods, it can be claimed. For passengers, general rule cannot be claimed. Special rule, 3 cases can be claimed. Copy this. Normal rule cannot be claimed. Special rule, 3 cases. Again, you have to write those 3 cases can be claimed, and goods can be claimed. लिखो चलो. Please copy this. ठीक है. Now please come to page 232. Question number 13. It's November 19 RTP problem. Question number 13, page 232, November 19 RTP problem. आ जाओ 232. Here 4 cases are given. We have to just write ITC is available or not. नहीं है, it's available, IT is available, not available, IT is not available. उतना ही लिखना है. Advice regarding the availability of ITC credit. Keep the chart in front of you. Keep the chart in front of you. AMT Limited purchased minibus seating capacity 16 passenger for transportation of employees. Employees बोलते passengers from the residence to office and office and back. Where do I fall? Motor vehicle. Passengers. Seating capacity 16, more than 13. ITC can be claimed. That's it. Next. Banggood Ceramics Manufacturing Company purchased 2 trucks for transportation of finished goods from the factory dealers located. Underline the word goods, transportation. Underline the word trucks. Trucks आता motor vehicles. Trucks बोलते not only 2-wheeler, 4-wheelers, big trucks, buses. Motor vehicle. Purpose transportation of goods. Input tax rate can be claimed. Next. Hans Premium dealing in luxury cars in Chanakyapur, Delhi purchased 5 Skodas for sales to customers. Now it is passengers. Skoda car less than 13. General rule cannot be claimed. But before you write cannot be claimed, go to special rule and check, does it fall under special rule? Is it further supply of motor vehicles? Did he buy for sale purpose? Yes. Normally you cannot claim, but special cases में 3 में you can claim, and the problem gives a special case. So answer is yes, you can claim input tax credit. Yes, you can claim input tax credit. If you read the answer, 3 minutes I'm giving you. Language will be high level because I'm explaining like LKG fellows, but answer remains the same. Please check. Fourth bit I'll do in next 5 minutes. First do the first 3 bits. Quick. चेक करो। ठीक है, चल now come to this. So this is done. Come to the next one, next page here. Again two trees. If input tax credit is available in above cases, bracket में motor vehicle, input tax credit can also be availed for following services. If input tax credit is available, then this also you will get input tax credit. I took insurance of my car, but provided input tax on the car is available, you will get input tax on insurance service also. Servicing, repairs and maintenance, on this also input tax rate is available, provided input tax is available on the car, for this also it's available. So matlab hai ITC available on motor vehicle, yes or no? If yes, on these three also ITC available. No, on these three also ITC not available. अगर available है, you will get on these three. This is like free, one buy one get one free. ITC मिलता, ये भी मिलता. ITC on motor vehicle मिलता, this also will get together. ITC on motor vehicle नहीं मिलता, ये भी नहीं मिलता. Buy one get one. You can't say not buy, give me that free one. ऐसा नहीं होता. You buy one, then only you'll get one. You get input tax on the car or the truck or the bus, you will get on this also. You don't get input tax on the bus, you will not get this also. Not done like this. Better understanding के लिए ये. चलो. ठीक है, same applies to here also. Same applies to here also. That's what is given. Nothing great. This completes. This one. Concept of input tax on motor vehicles, aircrafts and vessels. This is completed as working note 1. Number 2. This one. Refer working note 2. Go to next page. Yeah, we're doing this one. Don't remember the section number. 17.5 is enough. Clause 1, clause 2 सब जरूरत नहीं. 17.5 is okay. 17.5 लिखे तो बस है. वर्किंग नोट नंबर 2 में जाओ. ये रहा. Mark as important. Listen now. Food, beverages, outdoor catering, beauty treatment, health services, cosmetic, plastic surgery, life insurance, leasing, renting of motor vehicles and all. Listen. Food, beverages. I went to restaurant to eat. He gave me a bill of 100 plus 12. Will I get the credit of 12? We don't know. My brother's marriage, I did outdoor catering. I got called a caterer. He gave a bill 100 plus 12. I went to saloon, cutting, shaving, 100 plus 12 bill diya un. Health services, I did plastic surgeries. I took health insurance. All that fellow gave me a bill of 100 plus 12. Will I get that credit? And I paid 100 plus 12 to them. Will I get the credit of 12? Government says general rule no ITC. Answer is no. किस किस को? Food, beverages, outdoor catering, beauty treatments, health services, cosmetic plastic surgeries, health insurance, and leasing, hiring and renting of motor vehicles and all. Special rule, here ITC is available. General rule क्या है? Not available. Special rule बोल तो these are exceptions. IT is available. What is that? Inward supply used by registered person to make outward supply of same category of supplies so and so and so and so. వినండి ఇప్పుడు. इसका मतलब होता inward supply used by registered person to make outward supply of same category of supply of goods and सुनो. इसका मतलब होता है ऐसा. सुनो, I am a caterer. I have an event today, wedding function. I am the caterer. I took sweets from a sweet shop, 100 plus 12. I kept that sweet in the wedding function and charged to the customer 200 plus 24. Purchase sweets, kept in the wedding event for the customers, the guests to come and eat. In that case, how much I collected from the customer? 24. How much I paid? 12. That credit you will get because you are in the same category. You purchased food for resale purpose. You purchased food for resale purpose. That is called inward supply used by registered person. Registered person, I am the caterer. Inward supply बोले तो I purchased sweets to make outward supply to keep in the event of the same category of services, goods or both. General rule no ITC. Special rule, if you are using for the same category, it means you purchased for resale purpose, you will get the credit. Or inward supply are used as an element of composite or mixed supply. Composite or mixed supply, you already know. Composite बोलते हो principal supply is important and GST rate will be on principal supply. Mixed supply will take the highest rate of supply. Whether their services are naturally bundled and under mixed supply services are not naturally bundled. In these cases, when you go as a customer and make the payment and he gives you a bill, you cannot claim the credit of the tax paid. But the caterer fellow can claim the credit if he is taking the sweets from a sweet shop and giving to the guest in the wedding event. Paid 100 plus 12, collected 200 plus 24 and he can get the credit of 12 rupees. ये थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट है सर एट आईपीसी बट पढ़ के जाना ही पड़ता. Membership of club, health, fitness services, no ITC. Travel benefits given by employee to employee on account of leave travel allowance, no ITC. Again I am repeating, we are not learning where IT is available, we are learning where IT is not available. Exam that you have to remember where IT is not available. If something else is given apart from this list, we should write IT is available. Go through this. प्लीज सर बाय हार्ट करना है तो बाय हार्ट नको करो बट दो बार पढ़ो. चलो रीड 2 times. Read 2 times. Now listen. Note. ITC is available if the services are received where it is obligatory for the supplier to provide it to recipient under any law in force. However, if there is a law which says you have to give the services, in that kind of services IT is available. Make a change. Supplier, recipient. और ब्रैकेट में लिख लो एम्प्लॉयर एम्प्लॉय. सप्लायर रिसिपिएंट ब्रैकेट लो एम्प्लॉयर एम्प्लॉय. Now read page 233 bit number 4 along with the answer. You will understand. Page 233 fourth bit. Please read. Check, hello, check. ठीक है, चलो. So we are done with the first tree, second tree. Others are very simple. Listen. We already know this. Composite dealer cannot claim input tax credit. I need not tell you that. Composite dealer cannot claim input tax credit. NRTP, non-resident taxable person. Exhibition in Gujarat, but that fellow is coming from UK to for the exhibition. General rule, no input tax credit. Special rule, if it's an imported goods, he can claim input tax credit. Normal rule, no, but if it's an imported good, yes. Next, this also we know. If the goods are used for personal consumption, no input tax rate. If the goods you're purchasing not for resale, for example, I have a chocolate shop. I purchased chocolate 100 plus 12, 112. I sold for 200 plus 24. I collected 24. I paid 12. 24 minus 12, 12. Okay, that's fine. But here what is happening? I purchased 100 plus 12, 112. I took all the chocolates for my kids at my house, and my kids ate all the chocolates. Now will I get the credit of 12? Answer is no, because it is used for personal consumption. Example लिखो, वो मैं chocolate का जो बोला दोनों लिखो. If he sells, you can claim. Given to kids at house, you cannot claim. लिखो example यहाँ पे. Example कितने लिखते जाएंगे उतना easy होते जाता concept आपको. चलो लिखो. प्लीज लिखो सर. Chal, let us repeat once again. We understood motor vehicles, aircrafts properly. This was health products, beauty products, this product, that product. But if it's an under obligation by employer to employee, then you can claim. Compositor cannot claim. NRTP cannot claim, but NRTP can claim on imported goods. Personal consumption also you cannot claim. Next, no input tax credit if the goods are lost, stolen, destroyed, in general free sample written off. I purchase a good 100 plus 12, but doom for happened, goods are stolen, you are not able to sell. Government says whatever tax you paid uska credit I will not give you because goods are stolen, lost, destroyed by fire, or you have given as a free sample, distributed as free samples in the market, or written off. If you do this, then also no input tax rate. Lost, destroyed, written, free samples and all. And last, any tax paid in accordance with section 120 and 130. What is 120 and 130? Final mail cover. Remember the section number? No ITC. No ITC. Next, note. If in the exam, if he gives any transaction, TRN, transaction, apart from covered under 17.5, he will give this also, he will give some other transactions also. If any transaction is given apart from this list, bolto ITC is available, because this list talks about ITC is not available. And if any transaction is given apart from this, it means ITC is available. ITC is available. Vapis I will repeat. The list what we covered speaks a negative concept. ITC is not available. If in the exam he gives any transaction apart from this list, it means it's opposite point. It means ITC is available. Important point आपके एग्जाम पर्पस के लिए. Now before we do around 10-11 problems for you to make it very simple for you, read this. Works contract. Here no ITC, here ITC is available. Please read this. Nothing to explain. एक final level में रहता, but you have to understand right now. No ITC for construction of immovable property, telecommunication towers, land and building, pipelines laid outside the factory. For this no ITC. एक बार वापस पढ़ो. Please read once again. Now we'll do few problems. Keep this book in front of you. Keep this book along those three sides in front of you. I'll tell you how questions will be asked in exam. Come to page 172. Question number 7. Page 172. Question number 7. Be careful. Now listen. Determine the amount of input tax credit available in respect of following goods. Available. Listen. Depending upon this chart, we have to answer. If it's not available, write 0. If it's available, write the amount as it is. And this chart tells me in which case IT is not available. If anything, any transaction is given apart from this, ITC is available. Okay, let's start. Goods used in construction of additional floor in office building. Do we have that like this point in this list? Do we have a point like this in the list? We don't have. We don't have. Means ITC is available. You should write the value as it is. Next, packing metal used in factory. Do we have the point like this in the list? We don't have. It means ITC is available. Goods destroyed due to natural calamity. Some point we have here called lost or destroyed, and heading is no ITC. Yes, hi, amount is 0. This is what he will ask for 8 marks in the exam. List में ఉంటే ITC లేదు 0 తీసుకోవాలి. List में नहीं है, we will take the amount. Or if it's clearly given in the chart ITC available, then we'll take ITC available. Next, goods used for repairing the office building and the cost of such repairs is debited to P&L account. Here, यहाँ देखो यहाँ है, बट उसका हेडिंग है ITC is available. चेक करो यहाँ ये लास्ट पॉइंट, बट उसका हेडिंग है ITC is available. So take the amount. Paper for photocopying machine used in administrative office. I did not cover this transaction in the list. It means ITC is available. Goods given as gifts. Gifts बोल के यहाँ है free samples gifts. यहाँ लिख लो. हेलो यहाँ right here. Free samples comma gift also. ITC are not available. 0. Inputs used for test for quality control check. I did not use in the list. You will take it. So if you have the transaction in the list and the heading is no ITC, will take 0. If you have the transaction in the list and the heading is available, will take the value. If the transaction is not in the list only, then also will take the value. We have to just follow the list. By heart करना है, वो क्या करना है आप देख लो, पक्का करके जो ना ऐसा क्वेश्चन पूछता, टोटल ले लो. टोटल कितना है? 28,800, 6,000, 12,000, 950, 15,600, 63,350 is the answer. Make a note quick. Make a note. उतना ही पूछना है, उतना ही पूछता है एग्जाम में. नथिंग ग्रेट ही विल आस्क. Nothing great he will ask. That is what he will ask in the exam. ठीक है, चल. Now come to illustration number 5, page 171. Again, ITC available. We have to find out. Start. Electrical transformers used in the factory. I did not cover in the list, so available. Molds dies used in factory. You don't have in the list. Available. Pollution control equipment. You don't have in the list. Available. Capital goods on which depreciation has been claimed on full value including input tax credit. If it is no ITC. This I covered. You can check under section 16.3 in the last video. You have two options. To record the transaction, you recorded the book, the asset value including GST. No ITC. Capital goods used as part purchase from supplier who paid tax of 10,000 under composition scheme and composite tax has not been collected from X Limited. Here also no ITC. Composite dealer, no ITC. Take the total. This I covered. If you record the transaction of the asset value including GST, ITC is not available. Option 1, option 2 we covered last video में. Total कर लो 2,16,000 plus 26 plus 2,34, 4,76,000. $4,76,000. Next, illustration number 6. Again, how many points? 5 points. Inputs used in the manufacture of final product available because not in the list. Food beverages procured from sweet caterers for being used in dealers meat. This is in the list, not available. कहाँ है ये लिस्ट में? ये रहा. Yeah. Food and beverages. ये वाला. Food beverages. ITC not available. But if you are in the same business and available, but he is not in the same business, food beverage है तो ITC not available. List में है not. Goods used for providing services during warranty period, it's not in the list, so ITC is available. Telecommunication towers, it is in the list here. Telecommunication towers and heading is no ITC. ITC not available. Input stolen also list में है. ITC not available. Total is 84,000. Once again I am telling you, go to the list, pause the video, go through the list along with this as working note 1 and this as working note number 2. इसको working note 1 working note पहले पूरा list पढ़ो, working note 1 working note number 2 and then we'll continue more problems. But I'll continue, you pause the video, do it your job, then continue the video. Okay, chalo next. Illustration number 4. ITC. Purchase of machinery where debit note is issued. It's not in the list. So available. Now I'll not show the book like this because I told you to read once. Input purchase directly to Mr. Joy, a job worker and registered supplier. It's not in the list. Available. You purchase the computer, depreciation was calculated on the said GST portion. Also you recorded the value including GST, not available. If you record the asset value including GST, ITC not available. Works contract services for the construction of staff quarters. Staff quarters बोलते immovable property. Yeah. Work contract services, construction of immovable property. ITC is not available. Total is 1,95,000. 4 marks, November 18 old syllabus. ऐसा क्वेश्चन पूछता हूँ. Question number 2. Listen, I need not read the entire question. Listen, I have ordered goods which are coming in 4 installment. First lot, second lot, third lot, fourth lot. Which month में can claim the input tax credit? Answer लिख लो. Input tax credit can be claimed in the month in which last lot is received. That is 1/12/17. This is the answer. This is the date on which I received. On the December 17 month I can claim the input tax credit. Simple chiller question that is. Answer लिख लो चलो. Next, question number 1. ITC amount. Purchase goods without invoice, I already covered. Purchase goods without invoice, not for business purpose, no ITC. Goods purchased from PQR, full payment made by ABC Limited to PQR against such liability, but tax has not been paid by PQR, no ITC. Listen. X purchased from Y, Y sold to Z. We are X, we are Y. I paid 100 plus 12 to X. X should pay, then only Y can claim the credit. ये पढ़ाया था ना. Y can claim the credit only when X should. Y is selling to garment. Garment I paid to X. Then garment says, okay, you claim the credit provided X pays to us. X did not pay, I will not give you. That's the point. Next, purchase of goods not to be used for business purpose, you cannot claim input tax credit. Purchase of goods from TT Limited, invoice in the month of September, goods were received in the month of October, and we are in September. So right there, input tax credit in October can be claimed. In the month in which goods are received, I already covered. But we are in the month of September. We are in the month of September. Goods purchased against valid invoices, tax has been deposited by FF Limited. ABC Limited made the payment for such purchase in the month of October 17. This I can claim. 36,000 is the answer. $36,000 in the answer. That's called amount of input tax admissible. Why is this required? Because GST form is output tax minus input tax. This is the input tax value. Output बोलते what is collected from the customer. Sir, ये चार्ट अच्छे से पढ़ के चल जाओ. With all the work, note 1, note 2 points. Working note 1, working note 2 properly. Along with these note points. Along with these note points. These note points and that 17.5 chart, if you go through, you can answer any question on input tax credit. Okay. 3 छोड़ दो, 4 okay, 5 done, 6 done, 7 done. Come to 8. Now please answer quickly. Goods applied for captive consumption. Available. Tick mark बोलता available रहे, simple. Cross बोलता not available. Goods purchased for being used depending factory shed and has been capitalized. Come to the chart. Given not capitalized. Check karo here. Which is not capitalized, available. But the question says capitalized. Well, the not available. Cement used foundation for structure. Not in the list. Available. Inputs for trial runs. Not in the list. Available. Food and beverages. Not available. Food and beverages is second working note में है ना. Catering, food, health care and all. Total ले लो. This is in the list. This is also in the list. Total is 9,800 plus 14,000 plus 14,560. 38,360 is the answer. 38,360 is the answer. Next. An elite training institute provides servicing of training pilots in flying commercial aircraft, so the candidates become eligible for obtaining aviation license. Determine whether the institute is liable to take the aircraft purchased for imparting training. So now, this is aircraft, passengers. Normal rule you cannot claim. स्पेशल रूल में आता क्या चेक करना. स्पेशल रूल में कितने कवर्ड है? 3 कवर्ड है. फर्दर सप्लाई, ट्रांसपोर्टेशन एंड इम्पार्टिंग ट्रेनिंग. येस, ही कम्स अंडर इम्पार्टिंग ट्रेनिंग. ITC is available. Answer is yes, ITC is available. Please read the answer. If the chart is in your brain, the concept becomes very simple. Check the answer. अगर दिमाग में बिठा लिए चार्ट को, देन इट बिकम्स वेरी सिंपल प्रॉब्लम. मैं वापस बोल रहा हूँ. Please check. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन illustration 10. Electrical transformers not in the list available. Truck used for transportation of imports. Inputs बोलते goods. If it transportation of goods, motor vehicle available. Raw material available. Confectionery items for consumption of confectionery बोलते food items. खाना. Food beverages are not allowed. उस पर ITC नहीं मिलता. That's it. Take the total. 3,60,000 plus 2,24,000 plus 2 lakhs 7,84,000 is the answer. अब तो मेरे दिमाग में बैठ गया. You ask any problem in the world, I can answer because the list I have remembered now. Nothing has to be done. Next, ITC available. GST amount 1,20,000, one invoice GST 40,000 missing. One of the conditions, invoice should be there, but invoice of 40,000 is missing, so I can claim only the balance. 1 lakh. Inputs are to be received in 2 installments, where in the month of October, first installment has been received in October. 0. I will claim in that month where the last installment received. I did not receive the last installment yet. October we are in, we received only the first installment October, I cannot claim. I should wait till the last installment. In the month in which I received, then only I can claim. XY capitalize the goods at full invoice value inclusive of GST. If you record the asset value inclusive of GST, then you cannot claim in the input tax credit. One invoice dated 21/20 on which GST payable 50,000 has been received in October. No problem, you can claim. This is okay. Total is 330. मैं वापिस बोल रहा हूँ. If you buy a fixed asset and record the transaction including GST, asset value including GST, ITC is not available. If you record the asset value excluding GST, IT is available. Please check your previous video. You gave one example, option 1, option 2, 16 subsection 3. You made a running notes. That is what I am covering in this point. That is what is covering in this point. 11 हो गया. 13 is review. 14 देख लेना. Sixteen आ जाओ. You are in sub passengers transportation service. It purchased 2 motor vehicles. 36 lakhs. Your advice whether he can claim. Listen, if you are into transportation of passengers, we see the seating capacity not given. I am assuming less than 13. Normal case you cannot claim. Special cases you can claim if you buy the goods for resale and you are engaged in that business only. बोलते you buy and sell. ITC is available. It's a special case. You are buying the goods for sale purpose. ITC is available. Next, outdoor catering. This comes under no ITC. No second thought about it. Food, beverages, outdoor catering is not available. But outdoor catering is available if he buys sweets and he sells to you. But normally outdoor catering नहीं मिलता. 18 हो गया. $19 answer is given for review practice. 20 done, 21 done, 22 done, 22 done, 23 also done. 24. Mark as important theory question. What do you mean by input tax? Very important definition. एग्जाम के पहले पढ़ के जाना पड़ता है इसको. He can ask. Definition is given. 25. ITC. Motor vehicle purchased for employees to be used for personal as well as business purpose. So no, it's passengers. General rule not available. Special rule available. Did you buy for training? No. Did you buy for resale? No. Did you buy for your business? Did you buy for business? No, because personal as well. No ITC. Motor vehicles used for transportation of goods. Goods available 2 lakhs. We already wrote in the list also. Food items for consumption of employees. These items were supplied free of cost in lieu of the service rendered by them to the manufacturer in the course of employment. Not available. Food items, healthcare services, outdoor nahi milta. Rent-a-cab facilities available for employees. The government has notified such services under this. Bolto, it's an obligation under law. If it's an obligation under law provided by employer to employee, then you can claim the input tax rate 36,000. Where do we have that point? We have the point here. ITC is available if services are received in obligatory for supplier that is employed to provide to employee under any law in force. Here it is under central government. Total is 2,36,000. You have the input tax rate is a very huge concept, but for IPCC whatever I covered, that is only is applicable for your examination. You have rules also on that you have in final level. इतना पढ़ के चल जाओ अच्छे से. Once again watch the video, once again do these problems, it will be better for you. Next video will complete returns and payments, and that's done with your GST. And I guess one more lecture I can upload on amendments also. 2 more lectures are pending. Your GST syllabus gets completed. Okay, have a nice day. Thank you so much.